Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus ClickUp for agencies. We'll explore their core functionalities, helping you identify which platform best suits your agency's unique workflows. We'll delve into key features like task management, collaboration, and customization, alongside their respective pricing structures and integration capabilities. This will equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision for your team. Notion offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing agencies to build custom databases and wikis tailored precisely to their needs. Its powerful linked databases enable complex information architecture, perfect for creating bespoke client portals and comprehensive knowledge bases. With a free personal plan and affordable team options, it's a budget-friendly solution for dynamic agency environments, fostering creativity and organized information flow. ClickUp provides robust project management features, including essential Gantt charts and integrated time tracking, crucial for agency operations. Its extensive integrations streamline workflows by connecting with numerous other tools your team already uses. With over 100 customizable features, ClickUp adapts to diverse project methodologies, offering multiple views like list, board, calendar, and box for comprehensive project oversight and efficiency. Ultimately, the choice depends on your agency's core needs. Notion excels in flexible knowledge management and crafting custom client solutions, ideal for content-heavy or highly bespoke projects. ClickUp shines in structured project management, task automation, and detailed tracking, perfect for agencies with complex, deadline-driven campaigns. Both platforms offer free tiers, allowing you to thoroughly explore their capabilities before committing to a paid plan that aligns with your operational demands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.